Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a seal. This is a traditional model. It does stand up on its own. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. And first we're going to fold in half along the diagonal here. So I'll bring this top corner down to meet the bottom corner. Just make sure those corners line up there, and then crease that all the way across. And then unfold. Next we're going to valley fold in half along the other diagonal. So I'll bring the right corner over to meet the left corner. Just line that up over there, and then crease that one. And now unfold. Next we're going to bring this bottom right edge in to lie along this center crease. And it's going to form a valley fold, bisecting this angle that runs out this way. And we're going to stop folding when we hit this crease line here. So I'll show you what I mean. I'll bring that edge into the center. Make sure we start from this bottom corner there. And then start creasing that over. Then as soon as we hit that crease line, we're going to stop. And then we'll unfold that. And you can see what I mean there. Then we're going to do the same thing on the top half. So we're going to bring this edge into the center, and then we're going to stop folding right when we hit that crease. So we'll start that right from the top corner. Then crease it down right until that crease mark, and then unfold again. Now we're going to do the same thing on the left side here. So I'll bring this bottom edge into the center. And then we're going to stop at that crease there. Then the same thing on the top. Now for the next step, we're going to start on the right side here. We're going to fold all 3 of these creases at the same time. So we'll start just by pinching this corner together. Then you just bring it in, reforming these 2 creases. And then once you have it here with this point sticking up, we're just going to fold that point up and then press down, forming that crease underneath. Then the same thing on the left here. We're going to form all 3 of these creases at the same time, which is called a rabbit ear fold. And then we'll swing that point up and crease that. Now this is what's called a fish base, but we're going to take that and turn it over. Then I'll rotate it, and we're going to valley fold up. We're going to fold the model in half along this crease line here. Next we're going to make a valley fold on this flap, just this top flap. And we're going to fold this edge down until it lies vertical, and it will align with this edge that's underneath. Should look like that. Then we'll turn the model over, And we'll do the same thing on this side. Just gonna bring that flap down, and you can line it up with the flap you made underneath. Next, I'll turn it back over. Now we're going to fold this flap up. We're going to align this edge with this crease line here. So you'll need to just move this flap out of the way a little bit. Then valley fold that edge up and crease it like that. And then unfold. Now we're going to turn that into an inside reverse fold. And what that means is we will open this up, and then we're going to swing this point inside the model, and we're going to reform the two creases we just made. So this valley fold is forming again, and then the crease on the other side actually needs to reverse. Then we'll close it back up and then form this crease, and it should look like that. Next, we're going to inside reverse fold this point down, and we're not going to pre-crease this time. You're just going to open this up and swing the point through, and then form the crease, and you can hold it like this, and then you can adjust it to where you'd like. This is done to taste. There's no reference points for it. So we're going to fold it about right here, and then crease it down. Then we're going to spread these layers apart slightly, and we're going to fold the tip of this point back in on itself. This is another inside reverse fold. And again, there's no reference point for this one either, but we'll fold it back about this much, crease it, and then close that up. Next, we're going to come over here to the tail, and we'll make an inside reverse fold. So open those layers apart from each other, swing the tail up, in through the model. This is another one that's done to taste. But about this much looks good, and we'll crease that. Sorry, I'm going to fix the tail here a little bit. Next, we just need to fold the fins out so it can stand on its own. So we're going to make a valley fold right here that lines up with this bottom edge. Just like that. Then we'll just fold that out at a 90-degree angle. Then I'm going to turn the model over and do the same thing on this side. And bring it back out. Then we're all done. It should stand up now. It's a cute little seal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. There'll be a lot more tutorials in the future. But thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.